Hi, my name is Stephanie, and I'm the owner of Gia's Designs. Here at Gia's Designs, I will be teaching how to create, design, and monetize on your craft business and teaching you digital products and not just you. But I want to make sure that I'm out here taking care of people that are just like me, the seasoned designers, right? Somebody that doesn't have that skill set where you want it to be, but you want to just connect with others. That is going to get us to the next phase, right? I'm stepping out there. Wow, am I stepping out there? As an older person, and even though I know I have the skill set, it's always harder to start that skill set when you're at this age if you haven't been in this platform. But that is not what we're going to be doing. We are going to be monetizing ourselves as seasoned vets and beginners that aren't as fast as others. Because we know that there are those members that can get out there and they can catch it like that. What if you're not that person that can catch it like, right? So if you're not able to catch it that fast, but you know that you can catch it if you work at it, that's what I'm here to help you do, right? I want to get all of us that are not, that I felt like that we're left behind. I want to get us to that point where we can feel that we can get out there and get out there with the best of them. Because you can. It's just the fact that you have to get past that apprehension. So let's get past that apprehension together. Because trust you me, I'm at that point right now. I don't like getting out here. But the only way that I can monetize myself is as if I'm out here and I am working with people. People help people, right? So I am going to be pushing my market out there. I am going to be pushing my business out there. And I am going to be creating it for anyone else that is trying to get to that page in their life. I don't care how old you are, because you have the skills and you have the mindset. Only thing you have to do is execute. All right. So, my motto: no rush, just results. No rush, just results. I am going to be starting my videos, or I am going to be going live. 9 times out of 10, it'll be live. I'll be doing it on Wednesdays. Wednesdays at 7:30 p.m. Central Time, right? 7:30 p.m. Central Time on Wednesdays. I will be going live with different classes. Okay. I will definitely start out. We are in the season of what? Party favors. All of these parties, everybody's going to be outside doing their parties. Let's learn how to do it together. Let's learn how to do it together. And let's do it with everyone in mind. So, next Wednesday, I will be putting up a free live class. Follow me at Gia's Designs on YouTube. Follow me on my pages. Hey, I'm out here throwing myself out there, not just here, but also in that social media thing, which I love it. There's some aspects of it that's great. Um, but on Gia's Designs, GIASDESIGNZ, Gia's Designs on Facebook, on Instagram. I'll have my community, Gia's Designs, where we can work inside of our laboratory, okay? Next Wednesday, I'll be throwing out a couple of more lives, kind of get, not necessarily live. I'll just do a couple of lives that'll be just informal, letting you know the things that we're going to get started with. Just a little tidbit of what we're going to do, okay? So I just wanted to do this less than 5 minutes and right at my point and let you know. Follow me at GS Designs. We'll be out here and we'll be getting some business done. All right. You all have a great day. I see you on Wednesday, see, that's one thing about me. June the 3rd, 7:30, y'all. See you then.